Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know that you are really wondering that what you should do if you do not know how to talk in English, how to make a conversation with anyone in English. But don't worry, I'm here with this wonderful book so that you can improve your vocabulary. But before starting a video of today, I would like to tell you one thing that you have to do start habiting of reading newspaper or reading magazine, because when you will start consuming English more and more, so you will start learning more and more and you will grow. Yes, suppose if you want to do a 5 kilometer running, so you cannot do in a one day, but if you will start like doing 1 kilometer in a day or expand 2 kilometer in a next week, so slowly by the consistency you will going to run 5 kilometers easily in just 15 minutes, and it is possible. But everything needs practice. You have to do the practice. Again, here also, if you really want to improve your English communication skills, you have to do the practice. Practice is reading newspaper, reading magazine, reading book. Listening English media is very important, because when you will listen and when you will read English newspaper, you will get new advanced words. And when you will listen those advanced words, it will be going to add in your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind will become activated and you will going to be easily speak English with anyone. So let's start today's video with some new and advanced vocabulary. Like death itself, listen carefully. The Latin root cardo means to fall. One's final fall is, of course, always in death, and so someone who looks like a corpse, figuratively speaking, who is a pale, gaunt, thin, haggard, with the sunken eyes and wasted limbs. So the answer is cadaverous. Cadaverous. And the related word is cadaver, a corpse, literally, especially one used for surgical direction. Second, decedent, etymologically falling down. D is a prefix, one meaning of which is down, as in descent, climb down, decline, turn down, etc. Pain and misery. The Latin root dolivo means to suffer or grieve. One who is mournful and sad, whose melancholy comes from physical pain or mental distress. Physical pain we all know, if you sometime hit, and mental stress we also know that if you think about something very long, so it will be become a mental stress or sometime depression also. Dolor, a poetic synonym of grief. Doleful, a word referring somewhat humorously to exaggerated dismalness, sadness, or dreaming. So, we have completed this exercise, and we will do another exercise in our next session. Okay? But before ending up this video, I would like to tell you one important thing. Everything depends upon your thinking. If you think positive that you can speak in English, so you will definitely going to speak in English. But you have to follow a native child role. What a native child does, when a child is born in Australia, so they just listen and they just repeat. When your parents or your friends or neighbors speak something, so the native children just catch the word and they just repeat, and day by day they become fluent. Even when they just come in the grade 1 or grade 2, they speak fluent English. Yes, and it is possible if a child who is just 5 or 6 year old, who can speak in English confidently and fluently, so you can also speak in English, but you have to same the rule of learning. And the rule of learning is reading newspaper every day, find out advanced words, listen English media, because it will going to add in your subconscious mind, because when you will listen and you will watch, watching is very very important. Suppose if you are watching a BBC News and representative or news reporter is speaking in English with a posture and gestures. So see that how confident they are, because the person who will use their postures and gestures while speaking in English, it shows that they have a good confidence as well as the fluency. So follow these simple steps and you will going to speak English like native. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.